Have you been trying to manifest something for a really long time and it just hasn't been coming? Well, today I'm going to give you a technique that's going to help you get past that block. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're going to talk about how to manifest something that you've been trying to manifest for a really long time. Okay, now there could be a million reasons why it's not showing up. I mean, we have like 60,000 thoughts a day, so there could be at least 1,000 reasons or thoughts why it's not showing up. But I'm just going to go over a general technique, a blanket technique that anybody can use. Now, I know this from experience. I've been at the law of attraction for a very long time. I'm actually very good at it now, and I love it. I've created a wonderful relationship with just like my perfect guy. I got the car of my dreams. I work at my own business. I've got freedom. I've created so many wonderful things. And I want to share with you how I do it. And yeah, in the past, I have had times where I've been blocked. I've been trying to create something for a long time and it just hasn't shown up. And, what I've always noticed is it's doubt. It's always doubt, 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 doubt. Now, where does that doubt come from? Past experience, maybe, other people's experience, society, just general overall, you don't think it's possible, right? And that's from my experience is where it's always come from. And you know what? Really, regardless of where it comes from, this technique is going to work. So let's get right down to it. What is this technique? So this technique is really, really good. This is what I do to get me in the vibration of believing that I can have anything I want. So my belief system is I believe that I can be, do, and have anything that I want. And anything other than that, to me, is a limiting belief. Your belief structure may be different. That's totally fine. This belief structure works for me. I believe anything. Anything is possible, right? Now, of course, I'm not talking about like growing a third arm out of my neck. Like, let's be real, but like, I can change my world the way that I want to, I can be, do, and have anything I want. So, when I go to create something that I've been trying to manifest and it's just not showing up, right? And actually, I went through a period of this. I'll use my example of a relationship. So about like 8 years ago, I just had like relationships and I was dating and nothing was working out and I really wanted a boyfriend and a really good intimate connection of a relationship, and I wasn't finding that. I was only finding one date here, one date there, or casual relationships, and it was so frustrating, and I really felt doubt that I would ever find an actual relationship that I wanted, that satisfied what I was looking for. And because I found everybody else that just wanted like this and that, it wasn't that they were wrong, it's just that that's what they wanted, just casual relationship, and that's not what I wanted. But I kept saying, okay, well, maybe what I want is wrong. Well, I mean, that's the first thing, is knowing and understanding that what you want, just because it's different than somebody else, doesn't mean that it's wrong. It's perfectly fine to want what you want. Some people want to get married, some people don't. That's fine. Just understand that what you want is what you want. Right? So that's kind of like going to a store and being like, oh, you know what? I want cheesecake. Well, all we've got is apple pie because it's popular. And then grumbling and taking it and eating apple pie instead of going out and looking for cheesecake. I mean, don't take the apple pie and complain about it and eat it anyway. Say, sorry, I'm not going to shop in this store. I'm going to go look for my cheesecake, right? So the first thing is to believe that, you know what, you can have what you want and it's going to be out there. And how I really get myself into that mode is I think about things that I've created before that were impossible. So I told a story about how I created the impossible, manifested the impossible. It was parking. And so whenever I want to create something that I really, really want and I have doubts, I say, you know what? How can I doubt the law of attraction? I remember I created free parking all the time, and I go through things that I've created and I get myself back into that magical feeling. And once I'm in that state, in that higher vibration, that's when I say, wow, you know what? This is what I want. I want this. And I throw it out there. I throw my intention out there and I really focus on what I want. when I first started my business and I was manifesting customers, and I had no client at first, right? How did I start getting clients? Well, I remembered how I manifested these things that were possible. And then I would turn around and in those moments, I'm like, I believe in the law of attraction. I feel the love. I'm present. I feel the magic. And then I would say, okay, I intend to create this. I intend to create more clients. I intend. So yeah, that's the technique, is to get into that thankful, grateful state of mind, believing that the law of attraction works, getting back to feel the love where you can be, do, and have whatever you want, and then create from that point. And I think that's probably the most important thing, is to just get into that state of mind that you can be, do, and have anything you want, because you can. You're special, you're unique, you are you, and you deserve it. Anyways, that's my video for today. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Definitely like, share, subscribe, and yeah, have a wonderful week and create something wonderful for yourselves.